Lotus, the legendary British sports car manufacturer, is once again making headlines with big news surrounding its celebrated Emira. When the Emira launched, Lotus made a bold declaration. It would be the last internal combustion sports car in the company's history. The plan was clear. After this, everything would be electric. But as the automotive landscape evolves, it seems Lotus is rethinking that stance. Now, the company has confirmed that the Emira won't bow out in 2027 as originally planned. Instead, a facelifted model will arrive with two exciting new powertrains, a brand new V6 and, for the first time, a plug-in hybrid option. This move signals that Lotus is listening to the demands of driving enthusiasts who still crave the visceral thrill of combustion engines, while also acknowledging the need to embrace electrification. CEO Feng Qingfeng recently confirmed the facelift, though technical specifications remain tightly under wraps. Still, the announcement is enough to stir excitement among fans and collectors alike. One of the biggest updates coming in 2027 is the replacement of the beloved Toyota-sourced supercharged V6. While Lotus hasn't revealed the engine's origin, speculation suggests a Mercedes-AMG connection. AMG has been working on V6 units, and given Lotus's existing partnership with AMG, already supplying the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 for the Emira, this path seems logical. Currently, the AMG-sourced M139 four-cylinder in the Emira delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 354 pounds-feet of torque. In comparison, the Toyota supercharged V6 puts out 400 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, with the key difference being that the six-cylinder allows for a manual transmission, a rarity in today's market. A new AMG V6 could take things to the next level, potentially blending higher output with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Perhaps the biggest surprise is the confirmation of a plug-in hybrid (PHEV) version of the Emira. Lotus has seen the success of hybridized supercars like the McLaren Artura and Ferrari 296 GTB, and it appears ready to follow suit. This move would require significant re-engineering of the Emira's platform, which was originally built to house combustion engines only. But if executed well, it could catapult the Emira into a new league of performance and efficiency. As it stands today, the Emira offers strong performance across both available engines. With the AMG four-cylinder, it rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds and reaches a top speed of 181 miles per hour. The V6 version is slightly slower off the line at 4.3 seconds, but still tops out at 180 miles per hour. Enthusiasts also cherish the fact that only the V6 can be paired with a manual transmission, a feature Lotus fans fiercely defend. The facelifted Emira, with its new V6 and plug-in hybrid option, could potentially sharpen these numbers, delivering more power while offering hybrid efficiency and lower emissions. If the hybrid also supports limited electric-only driving, the Emira might become a rare bridge between pure ICE thrills and sustainable motoring. This upcoming facelift marks a pivotal moment for Lotus. By refusing to abandon combustion just yet and embracing hybridization, the Emira's story becomes even more compelling. On one hand, purists will celebrate the arrival of a new V6 that keeps manual transmissions alive. On the other, forward-thinking enthusiasts will welcome the hybrid as a bold step into the future. Lotus has always been about balance, lightweight engineering, pure handling, and emotional driving experiences. With the 2027 Emira, that philosophy evolves to balance heritage and innovation, performance and responsibility, passion and progress.